Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add playlist or how to create playlist on TikTok application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone and we can go to our profile. We can tap on this profile button to open our profile. Then we're going to click on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen, and we have to select the creator tools option. Okay, and here you can create a playlist. You can tap on the playlist option and you can click on start creating and name your playlist. For example, I'm going to name it my favorite video. Okay, and after you're done name your playlist, you can click on next and then select some videos you would like to add to your playlist. And for example, I'm gonna go with this video and this one as well, and we can click on done. Okay, and now the playlist has been created and I'm going to check it on my profile. I'm going to go back. Okay, and this is the playlist that I have just created. And if you want to add another playlist to your profile, you just need to click on this plus button and you can do the same step that I have told you before. Alright guys, and that's how we can create playlist on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.